Welcome. In today's video, we're going to walk you through the updated steps to change your profile photo on Instagram. Whether you want to refresh your look or showcase a new moment, updating your profile picture is a quick and easy process. Let's dive right in. First, open the Instagram app on your device. If you're not already logged in, enter your credentials to access your account. Once you're in, you'll be greeted by your feed, filled with all the latest posts from your friends and favorite accounts. Next, look for your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. It's usually a small circle that represents you. Go ahead and click on it to navigate to your profile page. Here, you'll see all your posts, followers, and the option to edit your profile. Now it's time to change that profile photo. Click and hold on your current profile picture. This action will bring up a menu with several options. Among them, you'll see the edit icon. Tap on it to proceed. Once you click on the edit icon, you'll have the option to choose a new photo from your library. Tap on Choose from Library, and this will open up your device's gallery. Browse through your photos and select the one you'd like to use as your new profile picture. Make sure it's a picture that represents you well. After selecting your new photo, take a moment to adjust it if needed. Instagram allows you to crop or reposition the image to ensure it looks just right. Once you're satisfied with how it looks, click on Done in the top right corner. And just like that, you've successfully updated your Instagram profile picture. Your new image will now be visible to all of your followers, giving your profile a fresh look. Remember, changing your profile photo is a great way to express yourself and keep your account lively. So don't hesitate to update it whenever you feel like showcasing something new. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on navigating social media. Happy Instagramming!